This is the second episode of differences between Canada and the Philippines. Canada is way different from the Philippines, or Philippines is way different from Canada. I would say Canada and Philippines, there are lots of differences. Okay, what if I told you that this information you cannot watch or hear this any platform, but here in Nose Out There? How's that? I'm here in the parking lot. This place will tell you how Canada is different from the Philippines. All right? That's the Walmart, groceries and everything. Actually, that's a lie. That's not everything. And I explained it to you. That's the liquor depot or the liquor store. And that's the Shell, pretty obvious. Gasoline station. You live here, you're born here in Canada. It seems like pretty normal, ordinary. Let's start the information from the gasoline station. The gasoline station here in Canada is way different from the Philippines. Here in Canada, mostly one who work in a gasoline station, the cashier. The cashier will do everything. Yeah, he does everything. In Canada, the gasoline station, mostly a self-service. You have to pay first and fill up by yourself. In the Philippines, maybe 5 to 7 employees. In the Philippines, you feels like you're a king. Everybody will fill up for you. But here in Canada, it doesn't matter if you are rich, middle class, you're gonna fill up by yourself. But there's a one gasoline station that the cashier will fill up for you, the Domo. All right. So if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling you feel like a king, come to Domo. As far as I know, they don't have diesel and the premium, just the regular gas. Did you know that convenience store, gasoline station, they are only legally sell smoke or cigarettes? Okay, in Canada, they call it smoke. In the Philippines, cigarettes. If you say, can I buy smoke in the Philippines? No. They can't understand that. What smoke are you talking about? Let's move to the liquor depot. This is a very interesting information for you guys. In Canada, the liquor, they are separated from the gasoline station. Probably because it's alcohol. I think there's makes any sense. But funny is, the gasoline station selling cigarettes. Oh, but in my 10 years here in Canada, I didn't witness any fire in gasoline stations caused by smokes. You cannot buy smokes or cigarettes and the liquor in one place. You cannot find it here. Why? The groceries are different in Canada. You cannot buy a smokes or cigarettes and a liquor in the groceries. For some reason, because of the kids, that's what they say. So you know, the Filipinos now, in their minds, they are reacting that, oh really? That's Canada? Canadians are a little bit strict about imposing the laws or regulations that smokes and liquor, they are separated from the groceries. But the people here in Canada, it seems like pretty normal, no hesitation about this kind of business style or pattern here in Canada. So let's go to the Philippines. For the Canadians or the people who live in Canada, probably this is pretty surprising you guys that in the Philippines, you can buy it, all of them in one place, in the groceries. Although, you can buy your smokes and liquor in a gasoline station. So, for all the viewers in this video, for all the viewers, comment down below if I'm telling the truth or not. Because that's how I observe. This is the second episode. So there's a lot more about differences. Like, if you like it, share. If you want to, subscribe. If you smile and it makes sense to you, see you on the next one.